Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy coleslaw salad. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh green cabbage. Finely shred the cabbage using a food processor or a sharp knife for consistent pieces. Next, lightly salt the shredded cabbage and let it sit for about 15 minutes. This crucial step helps draw out excess water, preventing a watery coleslaw and ensuring a crisp texture. Prepare your other ingredients while the cabbage rests. Now, let's create the delicious creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a nice tang. Next, add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds. They are essential for that classic coleslaw flavor. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. After the cabbage has rested, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove the salt. It's vital to drain it very well. For best results, squeeze out any remaining moisture using a clean kitchen towel. This ensures your coleslaw stays creamy, not watery. Now, gently fold the prepared creamy dressing into the dried shredded cabbage until every piece is evenly coated. Cover and chill the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your creamy coleslaw is now ready to enjoy. For a touch of freshness, garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika. This refreshing side dish pairs perfectly with barbecue, fried chicken, or your favorite sandwiches. It's a crowd pleaser every time. And speaking of making things easier if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.